Hello students, how are you all? Fine? I hope you all like to play games, and today we will play a game. Now we will see on the page number 8 of your textbook. There is a guessing game on this page. So let's play this game in the classroom. Now friends, in this game, what we are going to do? In the first step, two students will go outside the classroom. One will say to another student to perform an action. In the second step, they will come again in the classroom, and in the third step, we will ask them a question. Clear? Now let's start our game. Now, who will come first for the first activity? Yes, raise your hands. Yes, you two guys stand up and please go outside the classroom.
Dance, jump, dance, jump. Yes.
Yes, come in. Now, friends, they did an action. Now, you will ask them a question by guessing. So let's start. Who will ask first? Raise your hand. Yes, ask them.
Did he dance? No, he didn't.
Very good. Who will ask the next question? Yes.
Did he jump? Yes, he did.
Very good. Clap for them. Now go to your seats. Now let's repeat these dialogues after me. Okay? Did he dance?
Did he dance?
No, he didn't.
No, he didn't.
Did he jump?
Did he jump?
Yes, he did.
Yes, he did.
Very good. Okay friends, now let's start our second round. Now tell me, who has given the correct answer in the first activity? Yes, you stand up. So now it is your turn to go outside the classroom. And who will accompany her? Raise your hands. Yes, yes, yes beta. Please stand up. Now you will accompany her and you both go outside the classroom. Okay? Please.
Brush.
Yes, come in. Good. Now, who will ask them questions? Yes, raise your hand. Yes. You ask her.
Did she cry? No, she didn't.
Good. Then next.
Did she comb? No, she didn't.
Very good. Then yes, you.
Did she brush? Yes, she did.
Very good. Clap for that. Go and sit. Now you all have to repeat after me. Are you ready?
Yes.
Did she cry?
Did she cry?
No, she didn't.
No, she didn't.
Did she comb?
Did she comb?
No, she didn't.
No, she didn't.
Did she brush?
Did she brush?
Yes, she did.
Yes, she did.
Very good. Okay friends, now you have given a correct answer for round 2. Now it is your turn to go outside the classroom. And who will accompany her? Yes, you. Both of you go outside the classroom.
Play.
Yes, come in. Good. Now, Who will ask them questions? Raise your hands. Yes, you ask first.
Did he read?
No, she didn't.
Very good. Yes, you.
Did he write? No, she didn't.
Yes.
Did he play?
Yes, she did.
Very good. Clap for them. Good. Go. Now, all of you repeat after me. Did she read?
Did she read?
No, she didn't.
No, she didn't.
Did she write?
Did she write?
No, she didn't.
No, she didn't.
Did she play?
Did she play?
Yes, she did.
Yes, she did.
Good. We have discussed these two verbs, dance and jump, in our first round. Then we discussed brush, comb and cry in our second round. Then in the third round we have discussed read, write and play. Now we are moving to our fourth round and we will discuss walk, eat and drink. Okay friends, now tell me who has given the correct answer for round 3? Yes, you stand up. Now it is your turn to go outside the classroom. Yes, you stand up. Both of you go outside the classroom. Please.
Walk.
Yes, come in. Now, who will ask the questions for round 4? Raise your hands. Yes, you ask her.
Did she drink?
No, she didn't.
Then you.
Did she eat?
No, she didn't.
Then you.
Did she walk?
Yes, she did.
Very good. Clap for that. Go and sit your. Now let's start our fifth round. Now tell me who has given the correct answer for fourth round? Yes, you stand up. Now it is your turn to go outside the classroom. And who will accompany her? Raise your hands. Yes, you. Both of you go outside the classroom. Please.
Sleep. What?
Very good. Come in. Please stand here. Now, who will ask them questions? Raise your hands. Yes, you.
Did she run? No, she didn't.
Very good. Next, yes.
Did she drive?
No, she didn't.
Excellent. Last one, yes.
Did she sleep? Yes, she did.
Very good. Clap for them. Good. Now, મિત્રો તમે બધા જ બોલજો. ઠીક છે? Did she run? No, she didn't. Did she drive? No, she didn't. Did she sleep? Yes, she did. Very good. So friends, I hope you all enjoyed this guessing game. and you have also learned some English through these activities. મિત્રો, આવી બીજી ગેસિંગ ગેમ્સ પણ તમે શોધતા રહેજો જે આપણને ઇંગ્લિશ લર્નિંગમાં હેલ્પફુલ થઈ શકે. અને હા, તમારા મિત્રો, મમ્મી પપ્પાને પણ દિવસના 10 પ્રશ્નો પૂછજો. તમે એમને પૂછી શકો. મિત્રને પૂછાય, Did you finish your homework? He will answer, Yes, I did, or No, I didn't. તમે મમ્મીને પૂછી શકો, Did you finish your household work? She will answer, Yes, I did, or No, I didn't. Did you finish this lesson, sir? He or she will answer, Yes, I did, or No, I didn't. So keep asking questions. Now we will watch a video clip. Please watch it carefully.
This balloon helicopter is perhaps the greatest flying object. This is ready-made. There are 3 blades, a rotor, a balloon and a socket. This is the rotor with a whistle. Hear the whistle now. Enjoy it. There are 3 blades which can be attached one by one to the rotor, and the rotor has the whistle in it. You can also see that all along the length of the blade there is a kind of a tube which ends in a hole on the tip through which the air exits. This is the socket. Attach the blue socket to a balloon and blow up the balloon. And now fix the socket with the inflated balloon to the rotor. Now you just have to leave it in the air and see the helicopter going up, making a whistle and come down.
With this, we finish our class here. Goodbye, everybody.